Meta ads are everywhere. You see them on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and even audience network websites. But what exactly are they? Meta ads, formerly known as Facebook ads, are targeted advertisements that appear to users on these platforms. These ads can promote your business, your products, or even your ideas. Meta ads are incredibly powerful because they allow you to reach very specific groups of people. Imagine being able to show your ad only to people who have already visited your website, or who live in a particular city, or who have expressed interest in your competitors. That's the power of Meta ads. These ads come in various shapes and sizes. You can run image ads, video ads, carousel ads, which show multiple images or videos, and even dynamic ads that change based on who is viewing them. With so many options, you can find the perfect format to engage your target audience. Meta ads are an essential tool for any business that wants to grow online. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn about Meta ads. In today's digital age, businesses need to be where their customers are. And guess what? Your customers are on Meta. Billions of people use Facebook and Instagram every single day. This makes Meta an incredibly powerful platform for reaching your target audience. But it's not just about reach, it's also about targeting. Meta offers unparalleled targeting options. You can target users based on their demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. This means your ads are shown to people who are actually likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Think of it like fishing. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, Meta ads allow you to use a fishing rod and drop your line right in front of the fish you want to catch. This precision targeting is what makes Meta ads so effective. By using Meta ads, you can increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, and ultimately boost sales. Before you can start running ads, you need to set up your Meta Business Manager. Think of this as your command center for all things Meta. It's where you'll manage your ad accounts, pages, pixels, and more. Setting up your Business Manager is easy and only takes a few minutes. Simply go to business.facebook.com and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about your business, such as your name, email address, and website. Once your Business Manager is set up, you can start adding people to your account. This is important if you have a team working on your marketing efforts. You can assign different roles and permissions to each person, ensuring that everyone has the access they need. Now you're ready to create your ad account. This is where you'll manage your campaigns, budgets, and billing information. You can create multiple ad accounts within your Business Manager, which is helpful if you're running campaigns for multiple brands or clients. Section 4. Installing the Metapixel, your secret weapon. The Metapixel is a small piece of code that you place on your website. It's like having a little detective that tracks visitors' actions on your site. This data is then used to improve your ad targeting and track conversions. Think of it this way, you run an online shoe store. You install the Metapixel on your website. Now when someone clicks on your ad for running shoes and visits your website, the pixel records this action. Later you can use this information to show ads for running socks to that same person. They've already shown an interest in running gear, so they're more likely to be interested in your socks too. Installing the Metapixel is a critical step in maximizing your Meta ads ROI. It allows you to track conversions, build custom audiences, and optimize your campaigns for better performance. Section 5. Campaign Objectives. Setting your sights. Before you create your first ad, you need to determine what you want to achieve. This is where campaign objectives come in. Campaign objectives are essentially the goals you set for your ads. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? Meta offers a variety of campaign objectives to choose from, each designed to help you achieve specific marketing goals. Choosing the right objective is crucial because it tells Meta what you want to accomplish, and Meta will optimize your ads accordingly. For example, if your objective is to drive traffic to your website, Meta will show your ads to people who are most likely to click through to your site. On the other hand, if your objective is to generate leads, Meta will show your ads to people who are most likely to fill out a form or provide their contact information. Section 6. Laser-focused targeting, reaching the right people. One of the most powerful aspects of Meta ads is the ability to target your audience with laser-like precision. You can target users based on a wide range of factors, including demographics, interests, and behaviors. Demographics allow you to target users based on their age, gender, location, language, education, relationship status, and more. Interests help you reach people who have expressed interest in specific topics like business, technology, travel, fashion, and countless others. Behaviors let you target users based on their online and offline actions, such as past purchases, website visits, device usage, and more. By combining these targeting options, you can create highly specific audiences that are most likely to be interested in your products or services. This ensures that your ads are seen by the right people, increasing your chances of success.